Who would like to join me in my picture for a demonstration?
Potter, the boy who lived. The boy who survived by the seat of his pants is more like it.
But you're wrong, Salazar. It was love that saved young Harry, not luck.
You don't know this? Oh. I just thought he out inside of the Gryffindor forms in
Enjoy the remainder of your stay. Let's number one.
Please take note of its location and report it to a member of the staff.
I am Professor Dumbledore, headmaster at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and...
Where did I put that book? Ah! Guests! How delightful! Welcome, welcome! I am Professor Albus Dumbledore, headmaster of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Our school was founded over 1,000 years ago by the 4 greatest witches and wizards of the age. As many of you may know, Hogwarts is one of the schools where young people of the wizarding world come to study magic. I should warn you, things can be a little unpredictable here. During your visit, you may encounter all manner of things not common to your own world. Ghosts, house elves, giants, and apparently, as of this moment, excitement. But I sense a little apprehension in the room. Perhaps you fear meeting, you know whom. Well, a piece of advice, if I may. Fear of a name only increases the fear of the thing itself. Voldemort is only as powerful as we make him. And remember, inevitably there comes a moment where we must make a choice between what is right and what is easy. The choice we make defines us. When in doubt, follow your heart. It will, in my experience, rarely lead you wrong. Now, if you will, please proceed to the Defense Against the Dark Arts classroom. Unfortunately, we're currently without a Defense Against the Dark Arts teacher. They tend not to last too long, I'm afraid. Therefore, Professor Binns, our esteemed history of magic professor, will present his thorough and exhaustive lecture entitled Hogwarts Through the Centuries. I am most certain you will find it long. Enjoy the remainder of your stay with us. Oh, and should you catch sight of that dragon, please take note of its location and report it to a member of the staff. Thank you. Where did I put that? Ah! Guests! How delightful!
What I'm going to say is he's a ghost.
Yeah, well, they're dying, ghosts. Sort of a requirement. They're muggles for you, not more.
Said they were morons. Well, your parents happen to be muggles if you recall that.
Anyway, we thought you might prefer to come with us and see a game of Quidditch. But to get you there, we have to sneak back the castle, which is where mine comes in.
All you have to do is meet me in the room of requirement. From there, we'll fly down to Quidditch pitch. Of course, we'll need a bit of magic. A spell on it from a world-class Quidditch player.
Hermione knows all these spells, you see.
The spirit of Jake's enchanted.
She's barking, which is brilliant.
If Filch sees us with your next train home, what's your suggestion?
Keep it down, you two. This will work fine if you stop bickering.
Excuse me, we thought some of you might be looking for a way to escape Professor Binns' lecture. If you're not, you're mental.
Not that the subject isn't fascinating. Personally, I'd recommend Bathilda Bagshot's Hogwarts of History.
No one else has read that book of mine.
For your information, it happens to be, by general consensus, the definitive volume on Hogwarts.
It also happens to be dead boring.
As is Professor Binns. Very boring.
And exceptionally dead. He's a ghost. Fell asleep in front of a classroom fire, woke up the next day to teach, and left his body behind.
He's still very sound on history, though.
And as an added bonus, you can enter the classroom through the blackboard.
Anyway, we thought you might rather watch a game of Quidditch than listen to Binns, but we'll have to lead you out of the castle and down to the pitch, and we reckon the best way of doing that is to fly you there.
All you have to do is follow me to the room of requirement, and I'll manage it from there. Of course, we'll need a bit of magic. A charm I learned from a world-class Quidditch player.
Hermione is famous for her charms.
Yes. Miss Lodgings, Recanto.
I was just about to do that.
Remember, meet Hermione in the room of requirement.
See, that wasn't so bad, was it, Ron?
Another time, Hermione. The point is, Professor Binns is very, very boring. Which is understandable, as he's dead. Yeah.
What one was to say is he's...
My house never stopped talking about Potter's Quidditch skills. I'd really rather speak to myself.
There you have it. Everything you need to know about enchanted Quidditch. Yes, it is. Just ahead if you need to use it.
I will now continue my review of the unique characteristics of enchanted
As soon as you guys were up there, I was like, etiquette is every bit as important possibly. This one?
Yep.
Your journey is about to start safely, and so the Hogwarts soar tells you. These ventures are not safe. If you must go too small, you must be more than the dominant size. 48 inches. Now read yourself the Hogwarts, like permanent scratch. Get glorious, self-learning, always change and surrender. One more. To keep your treasures safe and sound. Smart rockets are sublime. Gringotts made a wizard gift for all you need to play. Now, come on. Do ride with roundness. If credit or your sword in battle. The waiting long, but smoking, drinking, eating, I say to done. We hope you will live to tell the tale. And most of all, have fun.
Hogwarts isn't safe! Hold on tight! I'll run your X-Men! Hurry on to the Quidditch pitch! And watch out for the Whomping Willow! Look out!
Feel free to return to Hogwarts anytime. Now, tuck your elbows in.